Rain delay. Oh.
That Monster Energy! Ja, das soll sie auch.
What happened?
Way nicer up here.
Body boot. Hardly any tattoos. One ear.
Oh my lord. Damn, that's nice.
To do, coming down, we're going to do the TV lineup right in front of the stair.
Let's see.
Oh! What about Vichinsky right here?
Dog, we are in China, everybody's ripping it, and dog.
And for y'all amateurs out there, right after this, we'll do amateurs.
Dude, I'm too amped. Dude, respect.